Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nur Fazira Hanum binti Muhammad Fazira Shmai, B0321101120. Thank you to my supervisor and relator for this opportunity to present my project. Okay, today I'm going to show about my project which is skincare inventory system. So this is my presentation slides. For the next slide, so for the project overview, skincare companies have always been popular in the business industry and always meeting high demands, which also have been the company criteria to always have a great flow of inventory system. An inventory is a physical act of counting and checking the condition of item in storage or a warehouse. So inventory counts helps you understand which stock is moving well, and inventory manager often use this information to forecast stock needs and manage budget. So now the problem attempt why we should create this management system inventory. When the listing items became too much, it will be hard for the employee to manage the data. The objective of the system is to ease the user to handle the tracking, analyzing, and managing the goods effectively. This way, the objective of the project can greatly benefit the company with not wasting a lot of paper to store for future use. For the objective of the system is to make sure it able to perform data addition, data search, updating record, and the data deletions. Secondly, is to be able to assist end user in decision making and generate reports. Uh, Lastly, is to be able to remove the data errors in the management system. This is the flowchart of the system. So we could see from the start and to the next is having the login and username and password process, which could go to verifying for the username and password. If it's a no, then the incorrect username or password will be situated. So for yes, then the system will ask the user if it's a manager or not. So if yes, then I can proceed with the options, which have a lot of option there. You could see if the manager want to report stock. So if he want or she want to see the report stock, then yes, they could see the process of report stock. If they want to proceed with the register product, then they can go to the next option. So based on the options, either to insert, view, insert ship product, view ship product, update product, and search product by brand, we could see there is a function situated there, a process there that could happen. From the analysis and design, we could see the result of function contain 13, which is a register employee, login manager, employee menu, manager menu, view register product, view ship product, register product, um, edit product, search product, delete product, and report stock. This is the results of ERD. We could see that there is 4 tables there. So for the employee table, the representative of one employee can register many products, while product can be registered by only one employee at the same time. Many employee can be registered by only one manager only, while manager can register for many employees. Representative of one manager can inspect many registered products, while products can only inspect by one manager. So for the employee going to the product can ship many products to customer, while product can ship to customer by only one employee at the same time. For the manager table can expect many ships products, while ships for product can only be inspected by one manager only. Only one registered product can be sent to many ships to order, while each ship order can only sent by one registered product. So these are the results of the design employee, which is we could see that the number of interface design for the employee is 6, while the report there are 2, which is the view and view register product and view ship product. As for the result design manager, number of interface design is 11. So there is 8 design interface while having the reports, 3 reports, which is a view ship product, view register product, and the stock left in the warehouse. As for the implementation, we could see that the skincare inventory system developed by using Visual Code and XAMPP. Using C++ language and SQL, a total of 1 CPP files were used to apply the function of the system. So we could see that there is a total 30 function defined in the system to handle various tasks of analyzing, tracking, and register. So from the figure above, we could see that there is 4 tables situated in the MySQL. So this is the source code for the inventory system. We could see that there is the login manager, login employee. So this is for the manager menu and employee menu. We could see the output of both menu. So this is the register product and ship product. Both process can be used by both user, which is the manager and employee. So for this, the view register product and view ship product can be seen by both user also. Above also the same, which is the edit and search product can also be used by both user. Okay, the register employee, delete product, and report stock can only be used by the manager. The employee cannot use this function. Assalamualaikum. Now we're going for the part 2, which is the demo of the project. So from here we could see we go for the employee login. So you put in the invalid keys first. And it's appear invalid username or password. So you have to try again. Type yes. So to put in a valid keys, we put in. So there is the menu of the employee, which is you have there have all the process, but they only does not have the delete product and the report stock to use to obtain. If they want to delete the product, they have to meet the manager to explain the reasons why they have to delete the product. So now we are going to proceed with the register product. So firstly, the batch number have to be 6 digit. If it's not 5 digit, then it will appear like this, which is the batch number is not valid. So you have to try again until you have the 6 digit. So now we proceed with the product name. The register date is an auto generate date, so you don't have to worry about it. Input the intake for the stock for the product. So now product quantity, if it's an F word, you have to put the invalid case, which is B. So invalid input try again. So you have to enter a number 45. Type of skincare, which is I put in as cleanser. So there is a typo there, but you could fix it later. I will show you. Skincare brand Royal. So if the first product is alphabet, then we put an invalid input. So you have to try again. We put in as
the product is successful added in the database. So if you want to add details for another product, you proceed. If not, then no. So these are the view register product. There is a lot there. So if you want to ship product, we want to send order to the customer, we have to input the product batch number. So if you want to ship the one we registered earlier, which is fire, so you have to input 123 653. For the product name, fire. Product quantity, which is 3143. So it have already updated in the database to be shipped. So what happened to the stock left in the uh, warehouse? Later I will show you from the manager perspective. So from here, if we want to proceed with the other process, which if we have update, so these are the registered product that we obtain. So if you want to see the fire will be uh, update, which is you want to edit the cleanser. So we just type the ID, which is 28, and we type in which we want to edit, which is type number 3, update cleanser. So if you want to edit other detail, then you can proceed with the other, which is batch number, product name, type, brand, price. So if you don't want to edit that detail, no. So from here, we could see that we could also search the product by brand. So for example, I want to find L'Oreal. So from the list of the search product, we could see that it is sorting by the brand here. So if you have to search other brand, then proceed. If no, then no. That is all the process that can be done by the employee only. If the manager, we have to log out, then proceed with the manager login. We put in an invalid case first. So it appears invalid username or password. So you have to try again. Yes, that's zero. And there is it, the menu for the manager, which we could see that we have the delete product and report stop and register employee. So you have to register employee. If you want to register employee, Amina Ali, enter phone number. This is for the invalid case. So the contact number is not valid. So you have to try again until you get the desired, which is in 11 digit phone number. So next, if the age we want it to be valid is either 18 to 50. So if you proceed with 90, then it is an invalid age. So you have to enter an age between 80 and 50, which is 43. Before you proceed the username, you want to put in employee. Wah. So enter password the max at least 8 digit. So you put in. We could see that the username is already exist. So you have to try again to put in so the username is not exist in the database. So what if we proceed with Amina Ali? The contact number is not valid because it is not an 11 digit. The age, username, employee, Amina. Then you put in the password. So you have been registered. Press enter to continue. So as for the delete, we find the report stock. Let's look at the report stock. So we could see that some of the stock is already sold, which is done sold. There is also on hold. We could see from the file how much earlier we insert, then look at how many quantity that already left. So you already subtract from the sheet product that we have sent to the stock left in the warehouse. So if you want to go to back to menu, you have to press enter. Then we want to see if we can delete products so that you can look that there is a lot of registered product in the warehouse. So if we want to delete which part, we can delete the one that already is that there is not. So now we can proceed to delete the product which we want to. So for example, we choose 20 27. 27. So we delete the FIA. So we look at if FIA is there or not. So if you want to proceed with the other product, yes. If no, yeah. So you can look at the registered product that there is no FIA product name anymore. So that's the end of our test case. Thank you. Now if you want to so the program is existing. So for the conclusion of the project, I could say that I have met all the objective from the system, which is we could handle the data deletion, the data registration, and to be able to evit the error in the system. So yeah, I could say that my project have met all these requirements.